This past summer, McDonald's finally brought back the snack wrap. It's juicy, crispy chicken with ranch, cheese, and lettuce wrapped in a tortilla. Also this past summer, I discovered Just Bare lightly breaded frozen chicken. And oh, it is so good and juicy and tasty and low in calories and high in protein. So then, of course, I had a light bulb moment. Why don't I use Just Bare chicken strips to make a high protein snack wrap? Well, today I'm gonna show you how you can make your own McDonald's style snack wrap that has fewer calories and way more protein than the real one, and to be honest, I think it actually tastes better too. If you want to know how to make it, it's coming up right now on The Cog is Shred. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John, and I've lost over 130 pounds naturally by changing my habits, and recipes like the one I'm sharing today have helped me to keep it off. So yes, at long last, the snack wrap is back, as the McDonald's CEO so awkwardly mentioned in his announcement video.
Bring back the snack wrap. It's back. You know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, so good. Here it is.
Here it is.
So the McDonald's Ranch Snack Wrap has 390 calories and only 17 grams of protein. The version we're making has 345 calories and a whopping 35 grams of protein. That is a big difference. So if you're ready to get this snack wrap in your hot little hands,
My hot little hands.
let's get cooking. So this one is nice and easy. I've got a bag of Just Bare lightly breaded chicken strips. These things are so good. I picked this up over at Sam's Club. You can find them at a lot of different stores. They are lightly breaded, so they are low in calories. I mean, these are breaded, crispy chicken strips, and they are only 170 calories per serving with 17 grams of protein. So they are a great source of protein, and they're low in calories. Fantastic. So what we're gonna do is weigh out 3.5 ounces of these frozen chicken strips. Right here I have 2 strips. This one's a little bit bigger and folded in half, but these 2 strips came to 3.5 ounces. You might have to mix and match, or if you need to, just make a little extra and cut some off, or just calculate for the difference. It's totally up to you.
It's up to you.
I'm gonna put this in the air fryer, and I'm going to air fry this at 370 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. And while the chicken is air frying, we'll go ahead and get our tortilla ready.
First, you take a tortilla.
I love using La Banderita carb counter tortillas because they are so low in calories. I'm not on the keto diet, but so many keto breads are just so much lower in calories than regular. These are only 60 calories per tortilla. 60 calories, such a great low calorie tortilla option. I'm gonna go ahead and put my tortilla on a plate, and I'm going to add 15 grams of Hidden Valley Fat Free Ranch. I'm gonna just do a little strip right down the center, not all the way to the end because one end's gonna be folded. So just basically going right along the middle here where the chicken strips are gonna go. Because in the end, we're gonna fold, or I guess we're gonna roll the whole thing up. All right, so there we go. So if you can see that, the ranch is just kind of along the middle, but didn't go too far this way. The chicken's just gonna lay right here in that center area over here. Next, we're gonna add 15 grams of romaine lettuce. Now I've got 26 grams of shredded Cabot 50% light white cheddar. And this I'm going to put about half of what I have here on first, and then I'm gonna save the other half to add once we add the chicken. That way it kind of gets on both sides of the chicken. And finally, 17 grams of fat-free shredded cheddar. And this same thing, we're gonna put some in here and save some to put on top as well. All right, so that is good for the moment. Now we're just gonna wait for the chicken, and when the chicken's ready, we're gonna put the chicken in the tortilla. Nice and simple. I told you this was an easy one.
A few moments later.
All right, chicken is ready. So I'm gonna take this out. Now that one that was kind of bent, I'm gonna try and straighten out to the best of my ability. Lay that one flat. The other one, thankfully, was already straight. Most of them are. Now I'll put that one right behind it. Look at that. That is starting to look like a snack wrap. Okay, and now we just take the rest of our cheese and put it in there, on top of the chicken this time. And that's all the ingredients. Now we're just gonna roll it. So obviously we've been leaving some space here on this side. That way we can fold this. This is gonna be the bottom end here. And then I'm going to lift this and roll just like that. And voila, we've got a snack wrap. I might need to stuff this down a little further in there, but look at that. And now, behold the high-protein, lower-calorie version of a McDonald's snack wrap. Take a look at that thing. Look at this. This is legitimately looks like a snack wrap, doesn't it? I mean, it's got all the elements: the tortilla, the cheese, the chicken, the lettuce, the ranch, pretty much everything they put in there.
It's all inside.
But does it taste as good as it looks? Only one way to find out. Here we go. Oh, it's that chicken. Those Just Bare chicken strips are so good. They are so tender and juicy with a nice crispy exterior. They are just absolutely delicious.
The anticipation that's been building when you actually bite into this, incredible.
That is very nice. I really, really like these.
Oh yeah, so good.
There is zero reason to go to McDonald's when you can have this at home.
Very easy to hold in your hand.
So I am just going to finish this and then we will go over the macros.
The wait was 100% worth it.
Okay, let's compare macros. So the McDonald's snack wrap has 390 calories, 31 grams of carbs, 22 grams of fat, and 17 grams of protein. This version, well, the one that I just ate, has 345 calories, so it is a little lower in calories, 29 grams of carbs, so just a little lower in carbs, 11 grams of fat, so it has half the fat, and 35 grams of protein. That is way more protein. The amount of chicken alone in there has more protein than the McDonald's one, and all that cheese adds extra protein, 35 grams. And I normally have 2 of them, so if you have 2, you're getting 70 grams of protein. That is a lot of protein. If you were trying to hit protein goals, get these homemade snack wraps. Seriously, tasty and super enjoyable. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to the Cog is Shred for more recipes and other videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. And if you have any ideas for recipes you might like to see me try in the future, leave them in the comments and let me know. I would love to hear what you're interested in seeing. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep on eating.
I have here my hot little hands